Now we'll move on to purchase order. Purchase order for production items. You have an option to choose the material either by item type or by sales order. You are currently viewing the week-wise requirement, provisional orders and delivery plan. Please select the provisional order. In the left pane, you can view the day-wise quantity requirement. In the right pane, day-wise delivery plan quantity is displayed. Usually, both are equivalent to each other, but you have an option to remove any individual or all and enter fresh delivery plan details, where the first delivery date to be earlier than the first required date. These are the material details. You can save, print as well as email these details. The delivery quantity will affect the quantity in transit of that particular sales order. You can see that the quantity in transit is affected. Purchase order for non-production items. In the same manner, you can add multiple delivery schedules of non-production items along with quantity, price, line total and delivery date. You have an option to approve, remove, print and email these details. Purchase order print. This is the interface for viewing the purchase order for individual or all types of items at a glance. The background color reflects the status of the purchase orders. Print and email options are available as usual. PO inquiry for production items. Here also you can choose an item either by item type or by sales order. The blank PO number columns indicate that they are provisional orders, or else the background color indicates the status of the purchase order, whether they are amendment, complete, order placed or order completed. Now we'll move on to received for production items. Please select the purchase order. All the purchase order details are displayed along with delivery schedule. Here, the system will receive the materials against receipt date, which will be reflected in the available stock in the sales order WIP tab. You can observe that the available stock is being affected. Next, we'll move on to the work order segment. Work order generation. Please select a product. All the sales order details are displayed in the left pane. You can select one and generate the work order either on daily basis or weekly basis. Work order confirmation. Calendar year, week, start date, end date. If you select a product code, all the work order details would be displayed. Here you have the option to confirm the work order and print. Let's come to work order print. All the work orders for the particular week will be reflected here. You can choose one or multiple work orders to print. Resource allocation. This is the interface for day-wise resource allocation. All the work orders according to product line will be displayed here, along with graphical representation of the shift. For any particular shift, we have to allocate the resources for the particular product. In the left pane, the skill requirements are provided. You can allocate individual resources according to skills. The dotted lines indicate that one or more resources have been allocated for this shift.